When Jesus taught his disciples what true marriage was, they were completely scandalized. As a matter of fact, the apostles, these aren't just the normal people. These are his closest disciples. When they listened to Jesus' teaching about the permanence of marriage, about the fact that fidelity was non-negotiable, that there was no such thing as divorce, they were so scandalized that they said to him, "Lord, if marriage is like this, it's better not to get married." Jesus lifted up Christian marriage and explained that it is inviolable, that divorce and remarriage is adultery. He made a very tiny exception, but the normative teaching of the church is divorce and remarriage is adultery. When they heard this, they said, it's better not to get married. And he didn't say, "Hey, you're misunderstanding me, guys." No, he said, "Let him who can accept the teaching accept it." For this reason, many are eunuchs by choice. Many